when it comes to kitting, we have a variety of different options. One is we can auto bag hardware. And so if there's a small volume hardware kit or even a higher volume hardware kit, we offer a variety of solutions there to auto bag that. We can also get into more complex kits, things such as robotics or other final product assemblies where you take a finished product, maybe take 3 or 4 different accessories, place those in a kit, and then ship that out to the end user.
With our kitting solutions, our customers, again, wide-ranging, come to us with simple hardware kits to complex kits that are at a sub-assembly level that we will eventually build into the full product build. Our kitting solutions, recently we've added expanded capabilities with automatic tape lines. We're able to push a lot more product through our doors, just putting stuff in a box and shipping it.
Riverside has lots of different things that we can kit for our customers. Anything from 5 or 6 different parts that you need to go into a box and be sent to the customer, to putting together small products that are delivered directly to the customer. We can do that with our logistics and our kitting.
So oftentimes our customers will come to us and it won't be just one thing they want to send out to their end user. So what we do is we take all of those specs from the customer, and if they've sourced them, we work with suppliers from their supply base, and if they haven't, we source those out through our supply base. And we leverage our contacts and our volume buying power to drive prices as low as we can get them for those partners. We'll then bring those into a schedule as defined by our end using customer, and we'll schedule time on our production floor so that we are bringing all of those commodities into one place.
So the benefits of working with RIS when it comes to kitting solutions is, first off, we warehouse all of a variety of different part numbers. And if you think about it, with kits, there's usually a large number of SKUs that go into kits. We're able to warehouse all of those raw materials and then ultimately allow the most flexibility to the end customer by having those materials in stock, taking them, customizing them to whatever that end solution is that's needed, and then shipping out either same day or next day to the end user.
One of the customers that we are providing our kitting services to requires a high degree of attention and detail. There's serialization that's recorded based on the products that get put into a bundle. We tie that serial number in our system so that data is safe for days, weeks, or years down the road, that we can go back and find out what kit that customer received all those years ago, if needed.
When it comes to kitting, there's 3 critical aspects that we look at with every new product we introduce. First off, where are the raw materials coming from? Is it something we need to determine volumes of storing those components in our warehouse? Second thing when it comes to the kit is how does that kit need to be prepared and packaged? That's a critical piece to every single kit we have. Then the last piece is the order fulfillment piece. How many of the final kits should we be sourcing? And then where do those end kits go? Where are the end customers based? How quickly do they need those?
We'll take those electronic components and we will protect them in a way that is appropriate for their final level packaging and the means of transportation. If there are any serial requirements, we will track those, we'll track them out to who is getting them. We take that, we create a packaging solution that's the best fit, pack it up, and then in certain cases we'll stock it on hand, waiting for customer orders. In other cases, we'll ship it out to a large distribution center where our customers or partners can handle that end user distribution.